Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Govee Floor Lamp 2 to your phone. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Govee Floor Lamp 2 and you want to go ahead and connect it to your phone. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to make sure that you have the Govee Home app installed. So if you go into the App Store or the Google Play Store, and then type in Govee, it should be the first option here, and it looks like this. So go ahead and install that app and then register for an account and log in. Next, make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi on your phone and make sure that that Wi-Fi is a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Also make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And then let's go ahead and open up the Govee Home app. At this point, you want to make sure that you connect your Govee Floor Lamp 2 and power it on. It should turn into a rainbow colors and then stay a solid color. Then click on the plus icon on the Govee Home app on the top right hand corner. And as you can see, it's going to start scanning for nearby new devices. So give it a couple of seconds. And there you have it. You can see that it has now found our floor lamp. So click on add. And then on the next option, it's going to ask you to go ahead and rename the device. So we'll just leave it as floor lamp 2 for now. Then on this option here, you can see that the Wi-Fi settings have automatically been input. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and then click on done. And then after a couple of seconds, you should see that there is a notification that the Wi-Fi has been successfully connected. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Govee Floor Lamp 2 to your phone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.